HogOn independent welding classes. My independent welding classes are going to be in stick welding and flux core. They are $35 an hour. If you purchase a 4-hour block, you will get 1 hour. If you purchase an 8-hour block, you will get 2 free hours. So that's how the program will work. If you're just getting it by the hour, it's just going to be $35. If you get it by a 4-hour block, you get an extra hour. If you get it by a 8-hour block, you get an extra 2 hours. But you don't have to do the time all in one setting. You can space it out. You can say, hey, I want to do 2 hours a week, 6 hours a week, however you want to do it. I just want to make it affordable for you, but I also want to make sure that you put some skin in the game. And the only reason I'm charging $35 is because I'm going to require you to bring a few things. You're going to have to bring your own hood, your chip and hammer, your grinder. You're going to have to make an initiative. I'm going to have the booth set up. I'm going to have the welding rods. I'm going to have the welding plate. And I'm going to be there helping guide you and teach you how to critique your steel and get certified in stick welding. So we both going to have some skin in the game. But if you go to around most of these schools and these training schools, probably the least you're going to get $75 to $80 an hour. That's the least you're going to get. But I want to help you win. But also in doing this, I got to show you something. I have to show you how you have to break the chains, thinking that you're going to get something for nothing. Because in this life, you're not going to get something for nothing. And if you're going to be independent, you're going to have to pay for your own way. You're going to have to do your own thing. So I'm going to meet you halfway. You meet me the other half. Hold on.